up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Currently starting this video at 12:52. Not sure if you guys can see that. 12:52 in the morning. I am going to be taking off the TE37. For those of you guys that might have watched the last video that had this car in it, you guys might remember that I put these wheels on my car, my dream wheels, but I tried to push it out, and when I pushed it out, for some reason, this tire popped. I don't know how, but it doesn't really matter. So it popped. Besides it being popped, the tires were already worn, so I was not going to drive it on these tires. So tomorrow, as you guys better by today's title of the video, I'm going to be finally taking it to the shop, finally stopped lagging it, finally going to stop slacking, going to take it to the shop tomorrow to fix stupid small little problem that it has with the fuel. I don't know if you guys remember that, but like I said, I am going to be swapping these wheels out because the tires are no good. This one's popped. I'm going to be throwing on the SBC RPF ones for now, just for tomorrow. These are literally like my spares right now. I feel like the last couple of videos have all been about me swapping wheels on the car, but yeah, like I said, this is necessary. So I didn't end up buying tires for this in time, so I'm gonna just throw these on for tomorrow, drive the car back home on these wheels, buy some tires for this one, stuff them back on, so on and so forth. But for now, let's go ahead and throw the RPF ones on the Z. One side is on. They don't look half bad on this car, to be honest. These ones look pretty good on here, I'm not gonna lie. What do you guys think? It looks pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie, but not clean enough to stay, that's for sure. Just like that, the left side is on. Now I'm gonna go inside and get some sleep because I'm waking up super early tomorrow, so I'll pick up the camera tomorrow. What's up, YouTube? It is now the next morning. As you guys can see, the Z is on the tow truck. I completely forgot to record when they were loading it, but I want to grab my camera right now to start the video for today. Sick ass fool, I forgot my battery. I was charging it last night, and I was in such a hurry to leave that I forgot the freaking battery. So iPhone vlog for today it is, I guess. You get on a tow truck, this thing looks good, bro. Yeah, we're finally taking the car to get fixed. This whole time it's kind of like the simplest little problem, but I've just like slacked off and not brought it. So we're finally giving the Z some love, giving her some attention, and we're gonna be driving it back home today, hopefully, if everything goes good, which it should. But we are about 15 minutes away from the shop. I already know my boy E-Class, I'm like 80% sure he's still asleep, so probably gonna drop the car off, go out and get some breakfast, then come back and get this whole thing situated.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, so I ended up making this like a little date day because this man took forever to show up.
I got pink eye, dude.
You got pink eye? Somebody farted on your pillow?
No, I ate too much ass. Should have.
Nah, but I ended up calling you back right now. Brought this man to McDonald's and the car's already fixed. So before we leave, the car was having some boost issues the last time I was driving it, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive it down the street, see if it hits boost, and if it doesn't, we'll come back. Currently cleaning out the air filter for the turbo. Naked right now.
20 minutes later.
Now? Car got in front.
Go ahead.
No space?
Just switch gear. Switch gear, switch lanes. See it, you see what it is. Leave it out. That's weird. Oh, that's weird. I guess I'd say when you're
Eventually.
Alright guys, we're back on the street after a few hours. I ran into a few issues, but no biggie for this man. Not only is he a tuner, he also builds and fixes his car.
He also fixes his nose.
He also what?
I don't know, buddy.
Anyways, we're about to try this out. Let's see, I haven't felt boost in like 3 or 4 months.
Alright, get ready, you guys. He's gonna do his fake. Oh my god! Oh, this car's gonna blow up!
Oh hell no.
This car's gonna blow up.
That's like the third NPC that's like rep there, like trying to race me.
He's not trying to race, I think his throttle was stuck.
Second?
Second year?
Yeah. Why, I felt like fourth?
No, I thought it was like first gear. Alright, so we need more fuel pressure. It's totally leading out everywhere.
Alright, so should I launch it or?
Yes, I
Alright, for sure.
do. Let's see what it does, buddy.
Dun, dun, dun,
I don't think
dun,
you're
dun,
down.
dun.
I don't think you're down.
8:01 p.m.
What's up, guys? Picking up the hour a couple. Dude, I'm so tired. I can't believe I just said that. What's up, guys? Picking up the video a couple hours later. We just left the shop. We are currently on the way to meet up with my tuner once again. We're gonna meet up with him really quick and probably shoot through this thing. I wasn't really planning to. Long story short, after we ended up fixing the car, me and my girl went to get some ice cream. So we stayed out here longer than we wanted to. Now it's nighttime. Now there's not that much traffic. So I thought it's a pretty good opportunity to shoot through really quick because my tuner recommended it since the car was leaning out a little bit. So besides us fixing the whole fuel issues, we also took out my the filter of my turbo. It was super dirty. We cleaned it. We put it back on, and he just wants to retune it just to be safe. So we're currently on the way to meet up with him once again and see what this thing does on the street. The last time we tuned it on the street, it kept popping couplers. So I'm kind of afraid that's gonna happen again. Hopefully it doesn't, but I mean, if it does, I guess. But as of right now, I am just super happy that we're back in the Z, guys. Like I said, it was never a serious problem. It was like a small little problem, but I was just slacking on bringing it. I feel like I kind of lost motivation a little bit, but motivation's back. So let's go ahead and meet up with him, and I'll pick up the camera right now.
Few inches later.
What is up, YouTube? Just kidding. You guys are gonna get the behind the scenes of that.
Alright, guys, so we just started street tuning. We did one pull getting on the freeway, literally one. I just didn't record it because everything happened so fast. Well, that was fast. Too much boost, cut.
Round 2, fight.
Pop again.
One hour later.
Alright, guys, it is now about an hour later from the last clip you guys just saw. I ended up coming back home. So pretty much the coupler just kept popping off, as you guys see. I either A, need some better couplers, or B, just put some beans on the intake. But honestly, I feel like I just outgrew this turbo kit. I'm making too much power for it now. I mean, I could, like I said, do what I just said. But more than likely, I'm going to sell it. So if anybody is interested in this turbo kit, it is perfect for stock block. When I was making stock block power like 550, 5 to 550, this kit was perfect. Not one hiccup. It will never pop couplers. It's perfect for that power range. But now that I'm making quite a bit more power, yeah, it's just popping everything. Which is not a big deal. Like I said, get better couplers, do some beats on the intakes. Not a big deal, but yeah, if anybody wants this turbo kit, let me know. I'm gonna go for the low, to be honest. I'm just gonna upgrade. Like I said, stock block, stock motor, bro. We don't have all the power, no problem. But for now, even though we can't do a pull, we can definitely make some, hear some turbo noises. I miss this car, bro, so much. Nobody needs therapy. All you need is a race car. Sounds so good. You guys have no idea how much I miss this car, bro. Damn, crispy downshifts. Auto rubber match who? honestly, I feel like I did a horrible job recording this video. Or we're just like super busy trying to get stuff done. I didn't even have time to pick up the camera, and I really do apologize. But I do think this was a decent video. I mean, like I said, car's fixed. No more 85 minutes. I can drive it as much as I want. Alright guys, we made it home safe and sound, thank God. But yeah guys, I mean, it's either A, fixing the intakes, getting some new ones, or B, just getting rid of the kit. So if any of you stock block homies wants a perfect stock block kit, hit me up. Or even if there's a built car out there that wants this kit, I mean, I can just fix the intakes, not a big deal. It'll be very cheap to fix. I don't mind doing it. If anybody is interested, hit me up. If not, I'll probably fix this and just keep sending it on this kit. Because like I said, the rest of the kit's good, just the intakes that need to be fixed, because these covers are going to keep popping off at this power. But yeah guys, with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can put everyone when I post. Catch you guys in the next one.